Hello guys, el día de hoy estuvimos trabajando with page number, well, two pages, page number 132 and page 133. But first, we are going to talk about what we have to do with these problems, these pollution problems. Now, we need to save water. So vamos a unir, let's match. For example, look at this problem. They didn't close the water. See that? You're wasting water. We need to save water. What is a correct action? This one here, right? Okay. Don't throw the garbage on the floor. You have to put it on the trash can. There. Okay. We have to use the trash can. Now, the TV, look, the TV is on and nobody is watching it. So you have to turn off the TV whenever you're not watching it. Cuando no la estén viendo, apaguen su televisión, turn it off, please, okay? That's a good action right there. Wow. Now, next page. On the next page, we have this experiment. You can try at the house, try to fill it out a bottle with a little bit of rocks and then put water on it. Then you have to put it inside the tank of the toilet, and that's gonna make you save water. It's gonna be good for you. It's gonna be good for the planet because we are going to save water. Y eso es lo que vamos a escribir aquí. Water. Déjenme lo pongo yo. Para que ustedes también completen esta parte con esa palabra. Ok. Water. Es lo que vamos a escribir en la línea. Déjenme lo traigo otra vez. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Ok, no se quiere poner aquí, no se alcanza a ver. Déjenme lo hago con este de acá. Ok. Water. Ahí está. Water. Saving water. Es lo que estamos haciendo con este experimento. Así que ustedes inténtenlo en casa. Lo pueden intentar para ver si nos funciona. Bueno, eso fue lo que estuvimos haciendo el día de hoy. Nos vemos el día de mañana. Tomorrow, Tuesday. See you later. Bye bye.